Hi everyone, I am Deep and welcome to my channel Artistic Ideas. जैसे कि आप सभी को पता है कि सर सुशांत सिंह राजपूत अभी हमारे बीच नहीं रहे. The news is really shocking for me, actually for all of us. But मेरे लिए ये डेथ बहुत ही मिस्टीरियस है और मुझे लगता है कि the real truth is yet to come. By the way, this drawing is a small tribute to him and for his awesome works. So जो ड्राइंग है चलो वो शुरू करते हैं. ये तो एक टाइम लैप्स आर्ट प्रोग्रेशन वीडियो है. मैं बहुत ही जल्दी एक डिटेल स्टेप बाय स्टेप ट्यूटोरियल वीडियो भी लाने वाला हूँ, इसलिए मेरा जो चैनल है उसे जल्दी से जल्दी सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए. और अभी के लिए ड्राइंग देखते देखते सुशांत सिंह राजपूत का लाइफ, सक्सेस और हार्डवर्क के बारे में उनका खुद का एक स्पीच सुन लेते हैं. So please watch the video till the end. Enjoy.
I became an actor because I had a problem. I was an introvert. So what I do generally as an actor is I hide behind all these fascinating characters. Now the biggest lie was money plus recognition is equal to happiness, is equal to success. My family told me that I had to become an engineer. I used to share my room with 3 other similar aspirants. What it meant was, every day after finishing my assignments, school assignments, and preparing for my engineering entrance exam, I had to wash my clothes and I had to cook food for myself. But I wasn't complaining. Well, it was worth it because after all, I was, for the very first time in my life, I was so close to become successful for the first time in my life. So yeah, finally I slogged, I got selected for several engineering colleges and I decided to take admission in Delhi College of Engineering. But it wasn't working that much. Something was missing. There was a void that I could feel. So I thought maybe something bigger was required. UPSC exams were still far away. In the meantime, I thought of doing theatre and I thought to learn dance because to counter the shyness that I had. Once I started with performing arts, I knew one thing for sure. I knew that I quite liked it. And 3 years later, imagine me sitting in the campus and I'm thinking, alright, I'm really interested in performing arts. And all I want to do is to earn money and to be recognized. So if I become a movie star, I actually was very serious and I dropped out of my college in the 3rd year when I was just 2 semesters away from getting the degree, engineering degree. Came to Mumbai, got heavily into theatre and also other skills that I thought were necessary to become an actor. I was also a background dancer. So I was dancing behind all the possible stars that you can think of, Shah Rukh Khan, Shahid Kapoor, everybody. And I was thinking to myself while I was performing, okay, it's just 3 steps away, there I have to get. And everything will be sorted. And I kept going like that. And 2 years later, guess what? I got myself my first big break. I was selected for a primetime show on a TV. I also suddenly discovered that I actually had many friends. I'm like, who were absent all this while, but suddenly they popped up. And the show became popular. I was making good money to a point that money stopped being a differentiator in my life. And I was becoming more and more popular. Now I cannot go to all those malls that I was going all alone. So I wanted somebody to be with me, to save me. So, you know what I'm saying? I bought myself my first dream house. I bought myself my dream car. And just a note to you as well. I was getting such female attention that my engineering college friends could only possibly dream of. So I was having a time of my life. And then something unusual happened. I got used to everything. So I was not happy. How can that it be? I didn't like this version of success. And the future me again was luring the present me. But this time, I decided otherwise. I would do something else. So that gets us to the second point, which is the only truth. I figured that something seemingly big things were not that big once I got them. And looking back in the past, I realized that maybe smaller things were way bigger. And there was one thing that was missing in my life that was the cause of this illusion. And that thing that was missing was now. I also figured that when I perform on stage or in front of camera, I'm so much excited. I am so much interested. I was paying so much attention that there was no room to think about future or the past. I was just there in the moment. I was alive in true sense when I was performing. And for the first time, trust me, in a long time, I understood the true meaning of success, which was not money plus recognition, but it was now plus excitement. I get hired again and again because all these success mantras that we talk about, hard work, belief, focus, vision, risk-taking, talent, perseverance, we can go on and on. But all these success mantras are now the side effects of the process itself. I'm so engaged, it commands my attention so much that there's nothing else that I can think about. So hard work doesn't feels like hard work. And there's nothing else that you can do but to persist. Talent you will cultivate. Vision you will get. Focus, there is no other way because it's commanding your attention so much. So here I am right now, 5 years down the line. Money and fame, although still could not earn back their reputation in my life. But let me show you one thing. I have much more of them than I had ever planned.
So, how is the drawing? Let me know in the comment section below. And if you like the drawing, then like the video also. And subscribe my channel, Artistic Ideas. For now, I am Dev signing off. मिलते हैं किसी दूसरे वीडियो में. Until then, do artistic and be artistic. Peace.